So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create this beautiful digital clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's go to our base code. So first thing first, in here I will create a div with a class of clock. Then inside this div, I will create a one h1 tag with the ID of time and one p tag with the ID of date. So this is it, that much code we need in our HTML part. Now let's go and create our styles. So in the header, I will type style, and inside here I will give a background color to my body. So background color black. Then after that I will give a style to my clock. So dot clock, and inside here I will set the position to absolute, then top to 50% and left to 50% as well to make it on the center. Then I will type transform and translate to -50%, comma, and again -50%. After that, text align to center, set the color to #17D4FE, font size to 60 pixels, font family to Orbitron, and sans serif this one. Then later spacing to 7 pixels. Okay, our styles are also finished. Now let's go to our script bar and create our JavaScript. So after the body, I will type script, and in here I will create my function with the name of update time, and inside here I will create a const with the name of clock and set it to new date. Then one more const for format number and set it to number, arrow function to string, again number, dot pad start to 0. Then let hour is equal to clock dot get hours to get the hour. Then for AM and PM, I will type PM is equal to hour greater or equal to 12, then PM, otherwise AM, and hour is equal to hour percentage sign 12 to make our time 12 hours instead of 24 hours. So this part is done. Now let's come down and create another constant. So const time is equal to backtrack $ brackets format number and set the hour, then again format number, this time for minute. So clock dot get minutes, and one more time for hour seconds. So let's hit enter. Let's type in here format number clock dot get seconds to get the seconds, and at the end our AM and PM to display AM or PM. So this part is done. Close our backtrack. Now let's set the time. So document dot get element by ID time dot inner text is equal to time. Okay, let's call this copy and paste. So our time is displaying, but it's not getting updated. So now let's set interval, and let's cut it from here, paste it inside this function, and give it a 1 second to update each second. So as you guys can see, it working. Now let's show the date also as well. So after the document.get element by id, in here I will type const date is equal to, again backtracks, and $sign bracket format number. Inside here I will again type inside this clock dot get date, and after the date format number one more time, clock dot get month, then we also need the year. So in here one more time I will type format number, sorry, this time only clock dot get full year. So now let's go and set this to our date id. Let's take it, let's write in here document dot get element by id and date dot inner text is equal to date. Let's save everything. As you guys can see, we got the date also. So this is how we can create a digital clock using HTML and CSS.